Smaller pieces of stock are used in projects all the time, but have you ever tried cutting one on your table saw or router? It's not the safest operation, right? For obvious reasons, it's never a good idea to get your hands too close to a spinning blade or router bit. Fortunately, now you can use our clever fixture to hold smaller bits of stock so you can safely make the cuts you need without putting your fingers and hands at risk. Comfortable handles give you complete control of your stock, while the knurled cam action clamp makes setup fast. Two clamping jaws with textured pads give extra confidence and grip your workpiece securely as you move across a cutting surface. The 115-250 small parts holder can work with stock up to 10 inches wide. Make straight or mitered cuts up to 45 degrees by running the fully adjustable aluminum rail against your table saw fence. This jig will work with your router, table saw, bandsaw, and most other tools in your shop. And best of all, your fingers remain safe.